Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you our family's traditional spicy potato balls, which our son calls spicy cannonballs. So we will call it spicy cannonballs from now on. Let's get started. We'll start with the batter preparation. For that, we will need 2/3 cup gram flour, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add a teaspoon of salt. Add water gradually while you mix the paste. Add a pinch of baking soda to the mix. Make sure the paste is not too thick nor too runny. Let's move on to filling preparation now. Take 3 large-sized potatoes. Add salt per your taste, half tablespoon of crushed coriander. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 finely chopped green chili, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, half cup cilantro, and 1 small-sized chopped onion. Mix all of the ingredients together so that it is nicely blended with the potatoes. And then we will move on to making the balls. One thing to note is that after you make the filling, do not leave it out for too long. Since it has onions and onion leaves its water, it will give us problems while cooking. Now take one ball at a time and coat it with batter. Make sure you coat it thoroughly. Use the help of a spoon. Now place each of the balls one at a time inside a deep frying pan. Make sure to not overcrowd it. Once it becomes golden brown, take it out. The spicy potato cannonballs are ready to be enjoyed. This is one of our favorite potato recipes. Give this recipe a try. Let us know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit the bell icon so you can receive our coming up videos as soon as we upload them. Thank you and goodbye.